Hello guys, Origami Guru here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make an origami paper airplane. So I never think I'd get this far, because right now I have 101 subscribers. And I want to thank you all very much for subscribing to my channel, and if you haven't already, please do. So, this is how the paper airplane flies. Pretty good. I just didn't give it a good throw. But, anyways, I'll teach you how to make it. So, step 1. Get an A4 sheet of paper or just a printer sheet. And what you're going to do is fold it in half. This way. Hot dog way. Okay? Now, you're going to open it up and take this edge here and fold it to the middle. And do that on the other side here. And then you're going to take these edges and bring them down to the middle, so it looks like this. Then you're going to crease and line this up here, line it up. Okay, and then you're going to fold it in half like this, and then you're going to take this edge again and bring it down to the middle. And make the point really kind of like sharp and pointy, because that will help with it when it flies. And you're going to turn it over and do the same thing here. Okay? Now, I'm going to show you how this flies. So, if I give it a better throw, it'll fly really good. So, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next video.